Hustle.
Okay, Brewster, look at the
Twice.
camera. Hey, Brewster, let's go. All right.
We're gonna pull out of here.
Oh, okay, so you're using this,
Yep.
and we're watching that.
I think.
Okay,
Boy,
big
it's
boat
working.
just came by, rocked us. Wait for
Oh, got to take it out until we got gears. Sorry about
Okay.
that. I didn't notice that. There we go.
There you go. Twin engines forward, neutral, forward. And you're doing all engine control and throttle, no steering.
Right.
This is a real neat gadget you got here.
And it tells you what gear you're in.
Okay, right. So it's got both are in forward right there,
Right.
and neutral in reverse.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we want to turn around.
So to hook this up to a mechanical engine, you need to have the black box for each
That's
engine.
correct. Right.
So this is fly-by-wire that will talk by wire to the black box, and the black box will talk by push-pull cable to the engine.
Yes, sir.
And then you've got the typical electric bow thruster, stern thruster. This is great. So we've got Glendinning there. We've got ProPilot up here at the top.
Now we're gonna come in here and watch this.
Whoa! Get that little boat out of the way. Hit that big steel barge. You don't have to call that in. All right. So we know that you're nervous for being on TV for the first time. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thought you'd appreciate that.